Hey, let's get right to this. This is one of my favorite mods I'm going to show you here. Check this out. Ooh, where did I get my keys from? What's that hook there? I got that same hook installed in my Porsche too. When I'm at a place that is secured, I'm not worried about theft. I'm more worried about losing my keys. I want to just hang them up right there. So it's real easy. You get out of the truck, you hang them up. It's muscle memory. It happens so quick. If I'm out at a campsite, I'm not worried about theft or someone stealing my shit. If I'm on the White Rim in Moab, I don't want to take the keys out of my truck and put them in my pocket where I could lose them when I'm scrambling over rocks or something. I'm just going to hang them up right here next to my ignition and leave the truck unlocked. There's nothing to worry about. The next mod that I like, I put a GoPro mount on the left of the push button for the driver's glove box. And I can tilt this up and down, but what's really cool is I can use a short 16-inch cord to plug into where I have got USB chargers. It's all inside here. It can be a dash cam if you allow it to, and you can reverse it and do a vlog selfie mode, all while having reach and control of it from inside the cab where it's warm and it's not 31 degrees outside. Here we go with it turned around the other way, and depending on the wide, narrow, linear mode you're in, how much of your face is going to get caught without leaning all the way to be centered in the lens. But I think I'm on wide, so I think that this should be giving me, should be putting me in the picture, right? So I know what you're thinking, because I was thinking the same thing about putting the GoPro mount on there with that GoPro 3M VHB very heavy bond stuff on there. So I'm using this clear white tape. I think it's called magic tape or something. This stuff is really cool shit. If you don't have some, I would definitely get some just to have around your house. It's very handy to have. It's on there good. It's equivalent to the very high bond 3M red tape. So I've got no concern about it coming off. And plug in. Easy peasy. I have control of it. I can turn it on and off when I choose and angle it however I want to. All right, man. That's all I got today. See ya.